Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete mass emails in Gmail. In order to do that, first of all, you have to log in with the email in Gmail which you want to delete. So, for example, I get the option of delete over here, but it will take lots of time to delete one by one. What I'm gonna do is to just select all of Gmails at one time, and I will hit simply delete all of it. Just what I have to do, just select all and click on the delete. As you can see here, he deleted all the unnecessary emails from my Gmails. It saves lots of time. You can do for promotions as well. As you can see here, I will select all and click on the delete option. Now it will delete all the unnecessary emails over here in promotion. If you go to in socials, you can just click on the delete, and as you can see here, he deleted all the emails. So this is how you can delete emails in a mass level in Gmail. So